YouTube, welcome back to Pongsgarage. It's been a while now, or well, rather hasn't actually, because you've just seen Aurora being introduced to you. But that video is actually being recorded after this one, so it's a bit weird. But anyway, I'm sitting in an Aurora, the new channel car. It's a Volvo 850, and today we're going to be replacing the bushing for the rear shock absorber, the rear left shock absorber, because it's sort of not there anymore. There's not much more to say, so let's get cracking. Rightio, let's start. We're deploying my tools. Popping that like that, similar at least. And since I haven't got the proper tools, I'm doing this against that. And since it was really hard to loosen it, I've already loosened it a bit using tools. And the video of that was crap. So there you go. Yeah, as I said, this isn't the proper way to do it. The nut comes off. This plate thing is, yeah, it's... You can see that the bushing is shot, can't you? The bushing should be here, but it's actually there. Yeah, need I say more? Right. After that, I'm taking this one, which is a 12mm socket and some extenders. I was wearing these actually. Do it by hand? Yes, I can. There we are. And straight away, I guess you can actually see what they show is it. Ooh. Yep, like that. As you can see, it's clearly it's just gone. Separated. Should look like this. And this is a second-hand one I got off the scrapyard actually. But it's pretty good. Got it from Billabaya Building in Billabaya, if you didn't know that. And the difference is shocking. I have no idea what's actually happened here, but clearly it's, well, it's just gone boom in it. Anyway, let's get the new one in place. Mr. Shock Absorber, you shall go down. Down where you belong, mate. Where you can do shocking things to the car. Or rather, stop shocking things from happening to the car. To the car, not the Shah. The Shah's completely different. The Shah's that Raining guy, I think. Back in the 70s, you know? This is 90s car. 90s Volvo, baby. This is exhausting. Right. Where's my torque wrench? Torque wrench time. Oh yeah. Got this one for Christmas and really happy for it. Let's see, it's gonna be 25 Newton meters for this because it says so in the manual. There we go. This is the bushing that was replaced, and as you can see, it's sort of gone. It's clearly failed. And was bumping around in the back. When I bought the car, the previous owner said that the sound was most likely to do with exhaust being loose. But when I examined it more closely, I noticed that the exhaust was actually not bad at all. It was really good. So I ripped out the interior at the back, because you've got to do that before we can replace this one. And then I saw this, and I'll pop a picture of it somewhere here in the screen. When you can see when I've just noticed it, and I didn't realise at first that it was actually completely separated from the bushing. but as you can see, it clearly was, because it, yeah. So anyway, I hope you learned something today, and on this bombshell, have a nice day. Goodbye.